At iGUIDE, we know what's important when marketing a listing. Photos, a 3D tour, and neighborhood information are all essential tools for communicating important details about a property to a prospective buyer. But did you know that every iGUIDE includes detailed RMS-compatible floor plans and square footage totals? Having access to RMS-compatible property information has a lot of important benefits when marketing a property. Win new clients when including iGUIDE as part of every listing presentation. Show your clients how you will attract serious home buyers by giving them accurate property measurements. Save time and money by hiring fewer people to collect information. iGUIDE data can be captured by a photographer in as little as 15 minutes using a special camera system that combines LiDAR measurements and 360-degree imaging. That data is then used by professional drafters to draw floor plans according to residential measurement standards. This means fewer visits to the property, reduced homeowner stress, and confident measurements. With iGUIDE, the home is always ready for a virtual showing with a 24/7 open house, including accurate RMS-compatible floor plans. Visit goiguide.com to learn more.